Icebergs in the waters off Greenland. The Arctic is one of the fastest warming regions on the planet. The first sign, according to scientists, of the kind of impacts that climate change could bring in the decades ahead.
It's slightly below.
And today came news of another milestone.
The symbol covers 1 degree, so it's
a news conference in London confirmed that the global average temperature has risen 1 degree Celsius over the past century.
So this is really reinforcing the scientific conclusion that as we increase carbon dioxide concentrations in the atmosphere, the climate's going to warm. So this is another piece of evidence that that's happening right now.
These latest figures show how much temperatures have risen since Victorian times and the heyday of the Industrial Revolution. So this graph from the Met Office tracks the global average from the period 1850 to 1900. Sometimes it dips. More recently, it's been rising, and it's now on the point of reaching an increase of 1 degree Celsius. That's significant because it's halfway to the 2 degree threshold of warming that's widely accepted as a relatively safe limit. But even that's likely to bring all kinds of impacts. More flooding is one possible effect, and researchers say that even what sounds like mild warming could prove very serious.
So a 2 degree world would mean more floods, more heat waves, less land that's available for crops, more water stress, the drying of areas that we currently use for growing food. Even 2 degrees will impact hundreds of millions of people.
Violent skies earlier this year. Warmer air can hold more moisture, so rainstorms may well become more intense in future. But there are, of course, a lot of uncertainties about exactly how the climate may change. It feels like a long time ago now, but last summer in Britain saw the hottest July day ever. That doesn't prove anything on its own. Each year will be different. But scientists say there is a pattern of rising temperatures. David Shookman, BBC News.